Here's an update on my red robin and my herb garden harvest. It's on day 74. I have lots of tomatoes. Some of them's ready to harvest. I'm waiting on a few more to get red before I harvest them. I'm hoping that this plant survives. I went 2 days without electricity during this storm, and it's made a lot of the buds and the leaves drop off. Hopefully it'll jump back and do well. Tomatoes are looking good. It's day 74 of my red robin. It's in my herb garden harvest. And in my Lip Hot LP Max, I have 2 tiny Tims. Both of them have small tomatoes on them. It also went through the 2 days without electricity, and they got pretty cold, and they've lost some leaves and several buds. And here's my tiny Tom, and it has quite a few small tomatoes, and it still has lots of buds left on it. It didn't lose all of its buds like the other 2 did, but it's growing well. That's my tiny Tim on the right here, my tiny Tom on the left. And they're on day 59. This is just a quick update, my weekly update on my tomato plants. But the plants are still, I think they're gonna make it. I think they're gonna survive. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks.